And now you can see that the lock operation is in progress and the transaction is created with your secret of your wallet with the mnemonic you have set in the local config file. And it doesn't need any other confirmations or passwords or anything here. We will add a pop-up confirmation in future updates, but we don't have it now. After the transaction is submitted and confirmed, you will receive a type of token named RWTs. You don't have to know the technical stuff behind this. The RWT token is a token behind the permits. If you want to have more information, you can refer to docs in the GitHub page, but you don't have to know the technical stuff behind this.